You have reached your destination.
Yep. Well, I'm pretty much done. I need to put the front trunk on, but it's the end of the day and I want to go do other stuff. Tail lights are on, obviously. I'm reusing my old, probably original plinths on the back. I do have new ones on order from Moss. They should be coming soon because that one's too small. I have a few things I want to redo. Not redo, but touch up. I've got a little bit of a drip there. That's easy to sand off and then buff out. I have a few little nibs and things that I want to shave off and then again buff out. So I'm gonna have a couple hours of body work to do, paint work, buffing and so forth. But I've got obviously a seal in, license plate holder is on, and I am on the hunt for a replacement lens. Uh, it figures. I mean, yeah, I'll just order a new one. But so that's on, and all the lights work. Walk you around. Where is the? Oh yeah, there it is. That's my battery charger. Here's my homemade wiring diagram. And here's what it looks like. Again, there's always a few things I want to touch up, redo. Headlights work. Let's test that first. Pause. And back to record. So, on a much previous episode, or whatever, I talked about how I installed this switch. Okay, it's an on-off switch, and that controls the headlights. And I got the battery charger hooked into the wiring system. Here's off. There's on. Off. On. I have one high and one low. I did that on purpose. um, yeah, we're gonna go with that. One high, one low. Again, off, on, off, and you can see that I've got the interior lighting system is hooked up and good to go. Again, you can see where I've got the battery cables going to the electrical system for the interior of my of this trailer. The battery of which is here. I've already test fit all of the leads and everything else. All I gotta do is add the acid to the battery and there she blows. Okay, so let's pause again and I'll show you the workings of the lights. Okay, here's from the front. Let's start with, and again I've got battery cable, wiring harness. I'll show the entire wiring harness in a sec. Let's start off with running lights. There's running lights. Okay. Now let's start off, or let's do one of the signals. Okay. Obviously, once this blinks with the current of the towing car, that will blink on its own. Okay. On the other one. Again, that's just me. So again, once this is spliced into the towing car's electrical system, it'll be good to go. Let me keep the running lights on, and let me see if you can see the back. All right, put those there. So running lights on the back. Here's the brake lights. And again, that's just the brake lights. I'm going to pause and turn off my lights in here. And record. So I got all my garage lights out. It's getting to be kind of twilightish here. It's around 6, I think. And so it's not as bright as it would be outside. Doors to the garage are closed. And what you're looking at is the running light on the right side rear It looks white in the camera because it's a little bit overexposed due to the darkness here. So again, running light, brake light on both. Let's see if we can get the other one in there. Yeah. Brake lights. Just the running lights. Just the brake lights and the running lights. Here you go. So I'm pretty happy with how this has worked out. I have yet to install the switch for the interior lights, but that's 20 minutes worth of fiddling, and that's not going to be tough at all. Really, really pleased by how it all turned out. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so I've got the front hood to put on. That won't be tough to adjust. That'll be a little bit fiddly, but yeah, it's okay. And I've got everything ready for it. I've got the receiver, the spring. I've got all of the hinges ready to go. All I do is screw it in and adjust it. And I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna congratulate myself with a glass of something, and maybe even eat some dinner. That's what I'm gonna do.